Everything that Clue has to offer, we've fully adopted and utilized, and we're wanting to push the envelope. Since I started with Pulice, that's when I knew we had an issue. So like from the get-go, me starting there, I realized that we have a lot of improvements to make within the company to bring us up to the standard of what a large-scale construction company should be doing. We made the executive decision to just move forward with Clue because we were losing sight of the equipment as a whole, right? Clue kind of came into the picture and was able to really hit all the fronts across the board. It's like a one price fits the deal, right? You're not, oh, you want that much connectivity? You have to pay a little more. Or you want to do this kind of equipment inspection? That's an additional bundle, right? So some of the big things are ease of use. We're dealing with mechanics that have been in the trade for 30 plus years. Some of them are in their 50s, 60s, right? And so it's hard to teach technology to some of those guys, but when you kind of really simplify it and give it to them as like, hey, I just need you to do this, this, this. And then they're like, okay, I think I can manage that. It's a single pane glass window where you see everything across your fleet, from the field to the phone to the computer. It's very simple, easy. You can dumb it down to however simple you want it to be to get the point across. I don't need to hop into Samsara to look at telematics. I can see it in Clue. A lot of companies where, you know, they dedicate the time and effort into getting you going, and then it's like, now pay us every month. Till today, we have weekly meetings with Josh, and we're constantly getting, you know, keys of improvement. There's not one single time that we haven't pitched an idea that it was instantly rejected and said, we're not going to do it for you. It's always been like, hey, we might not be able to accommodate it right now, but let's get it on a target that already exists. Let me show you the workflow.